Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. In this video I have 8 polishes from UNT, and this is in their water-based peelable formula, which means these polishes are water-based, making them non-toxic and perfectly safe for pregnancies as well as for children. And what's really awesome about these is that they can peel right off your nails, so you don't have to use acetone to remove them. I love that, especially for me because I'm constantly painting my nails all the time. I love having a nail polish that I don't have to worry about using acetone that was going to dry out my cuticles. So I'm super excited to share these polishes with you. I'm going to swatch them, and then I'm also going to show you 3 nail art designs that I did using these polishes. They also dry down to a matte finish, and I think these colors are perfect for fall. Even though we're in the middle of summer, I'm really excited for fall. So let's get into this video. This first polish is MG250 Between Black and White. This is a gorgeous light gray shade, and it had an amazing formula. It was almost completely opaque in one coat, and you can see that matte finish. Beautiful. This one is a little bit on the thicker side, as all of these polishes are. They have a little bit of a thicker formula, but it's still super easy to work with, and I love the matte finish that it dries down to. This is MG265 Grow Up Recording, and this is such a beautiful dark wine shade. I, again, love it. Was super impressed with the formula that was pretty much completely opaque in one coat and fully opaque in two, and I just love this matte formula, and I'm so excited for this one for the fall. Here is MG245 Pocket Oasis, and me being a green lover is instantly obsessed with this one. And this one is completely opaque in one coat. I did apply 2 just because I normally apply 2 coats of nail polish anyway, but I am so excited about this polish. It's gorgeous. This is MG240 Gloom Free Tears, and this is a stunning periwinkle light blue shade, which is one of my favorite nail polish shades to wear. This one is also completely opaque in one coat, which is going to be such a time saver, and I did apply 2 coats anyway, but here you can see the matte finish, and it's absolutely stunning. This bright reddish pink shade is called MG260 Promise to be Happy, and this one, amazing formula, just incredible, completely opaque in one coat, but here's 2 anyway. This one had a little bit of a thinner formula, but again, that matte finish dried down beautifully, making it so perfect for really any season. This is MG235 Leisure Reserved, and this one definitely had the thickest formula of all of the polishes, but it didn't really have any issues being applied. It was still quite easy to apply, and this one was also completely opaque in one coat, but here are 2 anyway, and this is a great neutral polish. Another great neutral polish is this one. This is MG230 Weaving Meditation, and this one was also completely opaque in one coat. I was seriously so blown away, and I really love the color of this one. It's going to be great for any season in any professional setting, and it's beautiful. The final polish in this collection is MG255 Sunshine Shower, and I love this one. I'm a huge pumpkin spice fan, so for me, this one just screams pumpkin spice, makes me really happy and excited for fall. Fantastic formula, pretty much opaque on the first coat and completely opaque in 2. Now let's get into the nail art. I wanted to create 3 designs that were pretty simple that anyone could do. So for this first design, I'm applying 1 coat of Leisure Reserved. Then I'm taking the brush of Grow Up Recording and I'm painting it slightly further down my nail. I'm then doing the same thing with Promise to be Happy. If you wanted your nails shiny, this is where you could apply the peelable base and top coat from UNT, but I decided to leave my nails matte because I really loved the really unique matte finish, and I really loved how these turned out. I think this next design has to be my favorite, and I'm applying 1 coat of Weaving Meditation. You might need 2 depending on your application, but mine was completely opaque in 1 coat. Next, using a toothpick and Sunshine Shower, I'm making some bracket and C shapes to create a really easy leopard print. It really is super easy to create leopard print. In fact, I find that it is best with a toothpick, so I'm pretty sure almost everyone has a toothpick in their house, so really anyone can create this nail art design. It's meant to be a little abstract, so even if your shapes don't look exactly like mine, it's still going to turn out amazing. I decided to leave this design matte as well because I really liked the textured finish with the spotted print design, but it's totally up to you. For this final design, I'm just taking the brush of Gloom Free Tears and painting it on the side of my nail as like an abstract French manicure, and then I'm doing the same thing on the other side with Between Black and White. I decided I did want this design shiny, so now I'm taking that Peelable Special Base and Top Coat from UNT and applying a nice layer, but here the nails are matte, but I just liked the way they looked shiny better. Here's a finished design, and it's super quick and easy to create. That is going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want to check out these polishes, I will have all the links in the description box where you can do so. And also in the comments, let me know what polish color was your favorite and what nail art design was your favorite. I tried to make the designs pretty easy, so really anyone can recreate them. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.